Hi guys, thanks for being here with me today. Hope you're all well. Right, show you my colours. This Little Piggy mixed with Pebeo Iridescent Green Blue and Liquitex Pouring Medium. So it's not as thick as I have for my blooms, but it still leaves a trace. I'm doing a cloud pour with negative space, hopefully. This one is Pearlex Emerald with Extreme Sheen Sapphire. And again, Liquitex Pouring Medium. This one is Holcroft Ultraviolet mixed with Dioxazine Purple. Beautiful purple. Look at that. And these are two from the one I did the other day. So this is Prussian Blue with just a blob of Dioxazine Purple in. So it's like indigo colour. And Liquitex Bright Aqua Green. And then my cloud mix, again I will put it in the description box below. It's Decoart satin enamel, but it's warm white rather than pure white. And it leaves a trace, just a light trace. Okay, canvas. It's a 14" by 20", really old pour. I had varnished it, but I've sanded it just to take the gloss off because it's very, very glossy. Yeah, I did this. This was one of my very first pours that I did, sort of 3.5 years ago. So, yeah, pouring over that one. So what I'm hoping to do is sort of, I don't really know what but I want negative space and something there, what I'm hoping for, maybe coming down. We'll see. You know, fluid art, you can't control it always. Okay then, let's get messy. So as you can see, I've snipped out the bit of pouring this because I don't like it. Yes, I'll put too much colour in, so yeah, I just don't like it. It's okay, but it isn't what I was going for, so I'm going to pour over it. So this time I'm putting a lot more satin enamel in, so I just put the colours in the bottom. You can just about see them. I didn't put much in, and I did add Phthalo Blue, which I used in my recent pour as well, because I was running out of colours, because I didn't mix many colours. So this time I'm just going to pour it into the centre, and towards the end I turn my Lazy Susan just to give it a little bit of interest, basically, at the end. Yeah, so you'll see that I get lots of negative space, which is what I was after, so I was happy with this one. So I'll put you some music on and come back to you in a bit.
I am sitting at this bar trying to forget all the fun we used to have. Even though I'm better and time has passed, now I wonder where your mind's at. In my dreams I pick you up, I just wanna make it right. I know all about your troubles, wanna drown into your eyes and feel your blue skies everywhere. my dreams I pick you up. I just wanna make it right. I know all about your troubles. Wanna drown into your eyes and feel your blue sky within. So deep in you, I'm blinded by your bittersweet shine. I get what you need, I'll make you feel free. Be mine tonight and feel your blue sky within. All the trips we had, our adventures, all the waterfalls and the wild waters, hanging off the cliffs, counting all the shadows. And now we're in the shadows. I wanna feel your blue sky within. So deep in you, I'm blinded by your bittersweet shine. I get what you need, I'll make you feel free. Be mine tonight and feel my blue sky within. I get what you need, I'll make you feel free. Be mine tonight and feel my blue sky within. Feel my blue sky within.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know if I'll ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know if I'll ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down.
So the pearls with Australian floetrol are different. Can you see they're not as defined as in my last video, where they were perfectly formed round pearls? With Australian floetrol you get sort of, it's a bit fuzzier, the effects, but it's, I mean, I do like it. It is very cloudy looking, cloud ball, but definitely different with Australian floetrol, and I've run out of American and I can't get it anywhere in Australia. Where I used to buy it from in New South Wales, they don't stock it anymore, they've discontinued it. So I've looked, and on Amazon the shipping alone was $288. So yep, and then the floetrol, the American floetrol, was $70 on top of that, so that's not going to be happening. And I know it's cheap over there for you guys, but yeah, so I'll stick with what we have here. Let me know which orientation you like. I've numbered them, and everybody, thanks for being here. Hope you like it. Hit the like button if you did, and subscribe and share, and then you know when I upload a new video if you subscribe. And everybody take care, stay safe, and I'll see you soon, guys. Bye.